Headline: Naples, Florida, May 2021. Homes in Naples were being sold at 99.1% of the list price throughout the month of May 2021. Yes, that's certainly one of our current real estate headlines, but it's not the only one. Hi, I'm Terri Pascarelli with MVP Realty. In this video, I'll share a brief overview of the real estate market activities and trends that you want to keep up with. Before we get started, take a few seconds to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you if you have. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video to the channel. Thank you all. And now, on to this month's report about what's happening in Naples, Florida real estate. Let's talk about it. To start with, I want to acknowledge that most of our real estate market statistics are prepared with a comparison to the same month in the prior year. So that means a lot of our information for May 2021 is compared to May 2020, and we all know that May 2020 wasn't a typical month anywhere. All of us were concerned about how we could find paper products when store shelves were empty. We were arranging for home deliveries and curbside pickups and not too much more. That obviously had an impact on real estate even here in sunny Southwest Florida. So I won't spend your time making comparisons to May of last year. However, keep watching through the video because I can share a key comparison to May of 2019, which was a normal May, and you'll want to hear about that as well as how May 2021 compares to all previous Mays when market data was available. Interestingly, the number of price increases on homes during May was the same as the number of price decreases on homes during May. That suggests that sellers were working from two different assumptions. There were sellers who, despite working with real estate professionals on comparable pricing recommendations, chose a high listing price, and eventually they have to decrease the home's price to attract buyers. And there are those who looked at comparables and priced the home right, but because of rising prices based on a really strong buyer demand, they ended up selling their home at a higher price. I can tell you, sellers, that our buyers are getting tired of losing out on offers and are pushing back from bidding wars. Sellers may not get their desired result if they keep pushing for unrealistic prices heading into the summer. Another factor that impacts the Southwest Florida real estate market is the impact of cash buyers. We've talked about that before. And in some cases, capable cash buyers are leaving their money now in the stock market or other investments because their returns can be high compared to the low mortgage interest rates. As I've talked about before, cash buyers are a significant part of our housing market all the time. In May 2021, cash sales that closed were just under 60% of our transactions. Those cash buyers continued to make it challenging for some competing buyers who plan to finance their purchase. All of the cash sales also have the effect of reducing days on market, and pretty significantly. While in years past, a 90 days average for a home to go from listing to contract could be expected, in May this year, the average days on market dropped to 43 days, which was over a 50% decrease. As you would guess, closed sales this May were way over the activity in May last year. As I promised at the beginning of the video, a better comparison can be this May compared to May of 2019. And our closed sales in May this year were 36% higher than May 2019, when clearly there was no lockdown factor. Actually, May 2021 closed sales in the greater Naples area real estate market were better than any other May for all of the years that statistics are available. This is really a busy market here in Southwest Florida. So it's no surprise that inventory of available homes is lower. It was only 1,290 homes at the end of May, even though new listings are coming onto the market regularly. Our market trackers are suggesting that we're in for a period of sustained low inventory. Even as demand starts to balance off, they don't expect the greater Naples, Florida area to see any real decline. because there are new fundamental values being set in this market that our data experts aren't expecting to see any downward trends anytime soon. Historically, May is a month when real estate activity starts to temper and sets up what is often a slower second half of the year compared to the first half. However, there are expectations that tourism to Florida will increase this summer, and buyers from foreign countries may also begin arriving, making it a little more uncertain about whether the second half of 2021 will show typical signs. Well, we'll just have to keep working and see how it plays out. Regardless of when in 2021 you're ready to sell or buy in Southwest Florida and the greater Naples, Florida area, I'm here, ready to assist you in meeting your goals. I think we're starting to see some tempering of activity and time or price pressure as we're heading into the true summer months. So let's talk now about your needs and goals. You can call and text or email me. An easy number to remember is 239-300-6047. I'm Terri Pascarelli, MVP Realty. Thanks again for watching this month's update for the Greater Naples area real estate market, and let's talk soon.